we are very delighted this morning to be amongst your midst to hand over a consignment of PPE, personal protective equipment, that has been made possible by the generous donation from several donors, including the United States government, the UK government, UAE. So we have gloves, we have goggles, we have respirators, we have surgical masks. We also have viral extraction kits. For the transportation of this consignment to Zimbabwe was made possible by a collaboration coordinated by the World Food Programme, the African Union, and the United Nations. So this effort has been dubbed the United Nations Solidarity Flight, bringing essential medical equipment to Zimbabwe as well as other countries in sub-Saharan Africa. We are also delighted to hand over a PCR machine that will boost the ongoing commendable efforts of the government of Zimbabwe to expand testing. We commend the government through the Honorable Minister for the efforts that are underway to stop transmission of COVID-19 in Zimbabwe. On behalf of the UN Resident Coordinator and Ambassador in Zimbabwe, Madame Maria Ribeiro, we pledge our fullest commitment to working with the government on this outbreak until transmission is stopped. Thank you.
So I want to thank the United Nations for this very, very generous and very essential donation of PPEs. What we are talking about right now is about the protection of our health workers. We do not want any of our health workers to end up being infected by COVID-19. So this comes in very handy in the fight of protecting our healthcare workers. We really appreciate this gesture, and we hope that you will continue supporting us as you have always done. So Zimbabwe welcomes this gift, and I want to sincerely thank you on behalf of His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, who is leading us in this COVID-19 exercise. This preparedness makes it very relevant for us to be able to conquer the virus. The PCR machine, that is extremely useful, for the purpose of us being able to come up, with a proper coverage of the status of COVID-19 in our country. This will help us, and we are very grateful it's the PCR machine, because the PCR is the definitive method. If you are positive on PCR, you are positive. If you are negative, you are negative. So we are very much appreciative of this technology which you have brought to us. It will be very, very useful. Be assured, WHO rep, that the items that you donated to us will be put to good use. They will not be found, being misused. We shall make sure that all our staff who can be able to utilize them get those items for their personal protection. So it is highly appreciated that you are helping us to fight COVID-19 in Zimbabwe. You have registered yourselves very well as the World Health Organization, as the United Nations in the fight against COVID-19 here in Zimbabwe, and it's highly appreciated. Thank you very much.